iDrawMe.com presents Chalkboard Lessons, Child and Public Safety PSAs. Learning is great and extends far beyond reading, writing, and arithmetic. Keep your family safe and stay informed on general safety.
Welcome to the game of your life, the game where winning means surviving. If you could boost your odds of winning big by more than 60%, would you go for it? Excuse me, do you consider yourself a safe driver?
I'm a great driver.
But do you buckle up?
No, I have so much metal around me, I don't need to buckle up.
Think of yourself as an egg in a can. It doesn't matter if it's a big can or a small can. If the egg isn't fastened, when the can crashes, the egg smashes. Your seatbelt keeps you in the car. If you are ejected, you will probably die. If the windshield doesn't kill you, or the road doesn't, getting run over by traffic or by your own car will. It's the game of your life. Be a winner, buckle up. Everyone, everything, every time.